Are you interested in the server-side integration of Odoo and meta ads for Facebook Pixel? Require a consistent channel to deliver e-commerce events and first-party data through the Conversions API? The Odoo Meta Conversions API app by Garazd Creation provides this functionality. Find out how it works in this video. The following advantages are offered by the app: reduce data loss and increase analytics accuracy. Provide tracking data when the MetaPixel script is blocked. Include event deduplication for accurate ad performance measurement. Supply first-party user data for advanced matching. Add a stable channel for integration with Facebook via the Conversions API. Include website tracking with the MetaPixel.js script. Conversions API in Odoo. Meta Conversions API is a way to send data directly to Meta Business by API. It can work alongside the MetaPixel tracking in a browser, and without it, send online and offline events. When browser extensions block the MetaPixel.js script on your website and tracking data is not sent, server-side integration can provide data for these events. So, you obtain two ways for transferring data, which include event deduplication for more accurate event tracking. Tracking activation. Firstly, go to the website settings and in the Enhanced Website Tracking section, enable the Activate Tracking option. To test your website tracking and view tracked events in the browser console, also temporarily activate the Debug Logging feature. Now, add a new tracking service by clicking the Manage Tracking Services link in the website settings, or go to the Configuration, Tracking, Services menu. If you have a multi-website environment, specify the one you need. Select the service type as Facebook Pixel and paste your Pixel ID to the key field. Watch the related video to find out how to get the Pixel ID from the Meta Events Manager. The link is in the description. Conversions API Setup. Internal logs is a required option for API integration, which must be enabled. After that, switch on the API mode by enabling the API Activate option. To obtain your API token, return to the Events Manager and open the dataset on the Settings tab. In the Conversions API section, under the Setup Direct Integration, click Generate Access Token. Copy the code and paste it into the corresponding field in Odoo. According to Facebook's official guidance, it's recommended to implement the Conversions API alongside the MetaPixel. But if you want to deactivate the MetaPixel script on your website, enable the Remove JS script option. Advanced Matching. Advanced matching optimizes your meta ads by providing user data to Facebook. Customer information is protected by hashing according to meta requirements and is sent with product tracking data to achieve better performance. Enabling advanced matching for Pixel events should be done on both sides, in the Meta Events Manager and in Odoo. Go to your Meta Events Manager, open the Datasets menu, and choose the Settings tab of your dataset. Enable the Automatic Website Matching option and specify what kind of customer information should be shared with Facebook. Then return to Odoo and open the Advanced Matching tab of the Facebook tracking service. Repeat the settings for the user data provided to Facebook. Use the Sale Order Partner value for the customer data, as it provides more user details in case you allow guest checkouts without registration. The remaining basic and advanced settings for Facebook pixel tracking are introduced in the related YouTube video. The link is in the description. Tracking data sending. Internal logs provide information about visitor actions on your Odoo website and can be used for further analysis and monitoring of the site. Enable the State and API Sent Date columns to display a status and the date of sending the event to Meta Events Manager via the Conversions API. Events are sent periodically by a scheduled action. By default, it runs every 30 minutes, and this interval can be adjusted according to your requirements. To send tracking data manually, select Tracking Logs from the list, or open a log and click on Send Event. After sending, the log status can be changed to Warning or Error if there is a lack of data or other causes. Open the Technical tab and view details in the API Response field. Testing. There are several ways to check Meta-Pixel integration. The first important point to know before testing is that the Pixel script doesn't send tracking data about the website activity of internal Odoo users. Log out of the system or use a different browser. You must be a website visitor or a portal user, as this is a prerequisite for testing. Testing with Events Manager. Meta Events Manager allows you to test your Conversions API integration using the Test Events feature. Open your dataset on the Test Events tab, and under the Confirm your server's events are set up correctly section, copy the test event code. Switch to Odoo and paste this code into the Test Code field. Enable the Remove JS Script option during testing to prevent events from being sent to Meta via the Pixel script before the Conversions API. Take some action on your Odoo website and manually send this log event. The Sent status means that the event was successfully sent via the Conversions API. If the status is Warning or Error, check the API response value on the Technical tab to get details. Return to the Test Events window and check the result. To also test the Meta-Pixel script, disable the Remove JS Script option. Look at the Received From column to distinguish the source of the event. Boost your sales and Meta Ads performance with direct integration via the Conversions API from an experienced Odoo partner.